are moving on to our next segment. I know कि आप लोग खाना खा रहे हैं और मुझे उम्मीद है कि खाना आपको पसंद आ रहा होगा, मज़ेदार खाना है बोल्टन एक्सीलेंसी का। लेकिन प्रोग्राम को भी आगे बढ़ाना है क्योंकि इसके बाद हमारे पास मलकू और सारा इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि वो आएँ और स्टेज पे आप ये परफॉर्म करें। और नेक्स्ट जो हमारा सेगमेंट है वो है हमारा अवार्ड्स के लिए। और जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ये जो आज की शाम है ये एक्सीलेंसी अवार्ड्स की शाम है, तो हमारे पास कुछ अवार्ड्स हैं जो हमें देखने हैं उन लोगों को जिन्होंने साइंस एंड इंडस्ट्री में काम किया है और जो उनकी जो कोशिश है, जो उन्होंने मेहनत की और जो अचीवमेंट है उसको सराहने के लिए, उसको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए हमने उनको अवार्ड्स देने हैं। जो इजी ई मनी अवार्ड्स हैं वो उन तमाम लोगों की जो अचीवमेंट्स हैं उनको ऑब्वियसली एक्नॉलेज करता है, उसको सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए, उन टैलेंटेड इंडिविजुअल्स की अचीवमेंट्स को एक्नॉलेज करने के लिए आज की जो शाम है उनको बुलाया है और उन्हें रिकग्नाइज़ करना उनकी अचीवमेंट्स के हवाले से। मैं सबसे पहले आई एम सॉरी अगर आप लोग खा रहे हैं या खा चुके हैं क्विकली, तो भी आपको मुझे स्टेज पे बुलाना पड़ेगा। तो सबसे पहले मैं जो हमारे आज के प्रोग्राम के होस्ट हैं और उनको भी बुलाऊंगी, लेकिन सबसे पहले तारिक वज़ीर साहब अगर आप खाना खा चुके हैं तो प्लीज़ इफ़ यू कैन कम ऑन द स्टेज। सो प्लीज़ वेलकम कौंसल जनरल ऑफ पाकिस्तान मैनचेस्टर कौंसलेट तारिक वज़ीर साहब, आप तशरीफ़ लाएं। हमारी मेंबर ऑफ़ पार्लियामेंट, क्योंकि आज बोल्टन में हैं, बोल्टन से हमारी मेंबर ऑफ़ पार्लियामेंट हैं यास्मीन कुरैशी, मैं उनको भी रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि प्लीज़ स्टेज पर आएं। यास्मीन जा चुकी हैं, ओके। डॉक्टर साहब, डॉक्टर मालिक प्लीज़ अगर आप तशरीफ़ ले आएँ। और मेरे जितने भी हमारे आज के नॉमिनीज़ हैं उनको मैं इनवाइट करूंगी और सब के सब जो है वो स्टेज पे तशरीफ़ ले आएँ और फिर उसके बाद उनको रिकग्नाइज। इरफान मालिक, इरफान प्लीज़ कम ऑन द स्टेज, थैंक यू। Can I please also invite Consul General of Kazakhstan, Mr. Haider, on stage, please. Okay. And Sania and Aisha, if you can please come on the stage to give away awards. और अब हमारे वो नॉमिनीज़ जिनको अवार्ड मिलने वाले हैं उनको मैं वन बाय वन बुलाऊंगी। सबसे पहले प्रोफेसर मोहम्मद अली इमरान। Professor Muhammad Ali Imran, he is Fellow of Royal Society of Edinburgh, Fellow of IEEE, Fellow of IET, Fellow of RSA, IAAI. Professor Imran holds an MSc and a PhD from Imperial College London. He is a Professor in Communication System at the University of Glasgow, Dean of Graduate Studies and Transnational Engineering Education, Head of Communication, Sensing and Imaging Research Group and Director of Center of Educational Development Innovation. He has led a number of multi-million-pound funded international research projects and led the new physical layer work area for the 5G Innovation Center at Surrey from 2011 till 2016, amongst other projects. So Professor Muhammad Ali Imran is here with us. Would you like to say a few words?
I just want to thank you everyone, the hosts of the event. Thank you for inviting me and recognizing these achievements. Thank you.
Thank you. So now I would like to invite on stage Professor Naeem Ramzan, Fellow of Higher Education Academy. Professor Ramzan received a PhD in electronics engineering from Queen Mary University of London. He is a professor of computing engineering and chair of effective and human computing for Smart Environment Research Center and co-lead visual communication cluster in AVCN at UWS. He is a senior member of the IEEE, co-chair of MPEG HEVC verification. He has been awarded a STARS Award in 2014 and 2016 for outstanding research and knowledge exchange from University of the West of Scotland, and awarded Contribution Reward Scheme 2011 and 2009 for outstanding research and teaching activities from Queen Mary University of London. So please, a big round of applause for Professor Naeem Ramzan on his achievements. I've been told that we have a Council General from Romania. So if you are here in this hall, I would appreciate if you can come to the stage, please, and join us.
All right, okay, first of all, I would like to thank all this event organization, that how they conducted this event, and also acknowledge the science and technology, the work that we are doing all over from the Pakistanis. Really, they are nice professors, and then they are serving the community as well. For example, we just finished a very multi-million project with Pakistan as well. That's the funding we received from European Union and served to the Pakistani nation. So these are the activities that we are continuously doing, and we are really appreciate as well your appreciation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and many congratulations, Professor Naeem Ramzan. आप लोग से रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ थोड़ी देर के लिए अगर खामोशी हो जाए हॉल में, कि हमारे जो मेहमान हैं हमने उनकी रिकग्नाइज करनी है. डॉक्टर साहब को माइक देने लगी हूँ मैं, अब आप जाने ये जाने.
Hello everyone, please. Shh. Come on, yaar. I know you all guys eating, but this is very important. This is what all night's about. ये प्रोफेसर हैं इनको रिकग्नाइज करने के लिए. They are Pakistanis as well, just like us. So please, I know you need to eat as well. Everybody, come on. I know food is very important, but please, this is important as well.
अच्छा, थोड़ी देर के लिए थोड़ा सा साइलेंस हो जाए हॉल में. All of you, please, especially this side. क्योंकि अच्छा नहीं लगता बार बार इसको इस तरह से कहना. So I would appreciate if you can just give us some attention to the stage. हमारे जो अगले मेहमान डॉक्टर मोहम्मद शहबाज अनवर. Dr. Anwar holds an MSc in Physics, MPhil in Physics, and a PhD in Material Science from Leiden University. He is a condensed matter physicist and works in the Materials Department as a research associate at the University of Cambridge, where he's studying oxides and heterostructures. In addition to research, he also has a teaching and supervision background from academic institutions globally. He has also served as a conference organizing committee member for international conference held in Cambridge, Kyoto, and Pakistan. So Dr. Mohammad Shahbaz Anwar. डॉक्टर शहबाज अनवर अगर यहाँ पर हॉल में है तो प्लीज़ तशरीफ़ लाएं स्टेज पे. चलिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि उनका अवार्ड तारिक वज़ीर साहब आप ले लें ऑन हिज बिहाफ. Next award goes to Dr. Shahid Rasool, Fellow of Higher Education Academy, FHEA. Dr. Shahid Rasool Sahab. Dr. Rasool holds a PhD in engineering. Dr. Rasool is an associate professor at the Department of Mechanical and Construction Engineering at Northumbria University. His major research focus is to develop efficient energy conversion and storage devices by photoelectrochemical processes for sustainable and renewable fuels. He has published widely in his specialist field and supervises postgraduate students in their studies. So Dr. Shahid Rasool.
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा है कि मैं पंजाबी बोलनी है क्योंकि इंग्लिश बोलते हैं और समटाइम्स उर्दू बोलते हैं भी मुँह थक जाता है, तो लिहाजा पंजाबी च गल होएगी। तो सारे तो पहलों बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मलिक साहब का कि मलिक साहब ने सानू इज्जत दी। असी न्यू कासल तो आए, रियली डिलाइटेड टू बी हेयर और ज़बरदस्त खाना है माशाल्लाह। और उस तो बाद शुक्रिया मैं हुणे अपने बच्चों तो उठ के आया हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि होर किसी का शुक्रिया अदा करो ना करो, साडा ज़रूर करो। तो बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया मेरे बच्चों का और सारे ज़्यादा मेरी वाइफ का जिन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया है। एंड थैंक यू सो मच, वेरी मच। इट्स वंडरफुल टू बी हेयर एंड इट्स excellent that such kind of events have been arranged for the recognition of the people who are working and our all of our efforts, of course, for our own recognition, but at the same time we are all working for our communities, whether it is in Britain or Pakistan, and at the end, Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you. Next award goes to Dr. Gibran Khalik, MS PhD. तालियां भी आप लोगों की होनी चाहिए। Dr. Khalik was awarded an MS in Materials and Surface Engineering from the National University of Science and Technology, Islamabad, and therefore a PhD in Advanced Energy Materials from the Queen Mary University, London in 2014. Dr. Khalik has published several papers on the synthesis of advanced materials in peer-reviewed international journals and holds 4 patents. He has given invited talks at several national and international conferences. He has granted a vast portfolio of research income from prestigious bodies that exceeds £1 million. Wow, very nice. Well done. Would you like to say a few words?
First of all, I would like to thank the organizers, especially Dr. Malik, for their kind gestures and inviting us over here and recognizing us for the contribution that we are making to the field of science.
Mic a bit closer.
उर्दू में थोड़ी सी बात कर लूँ। हम लोग बाय ब्लड पाकिस्तानी हैं, चाहे हम दुनिया के जिस भी कोने में रहे हों, पाकिस्तान विल बी इन आवर ब्लड, और हम पाकिस्तान की कम्युनिटी के लिए हमेशा काम करते रहेंगे। और मैं अगेन डॉक्टर मलिक का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि उन्होंने हमें इज़्ज़त बख्शी और इतना अच्छा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you. So next award goes to Dr. Rihana Sadia. Dr. Sadia is a consultant ophthalmologist at the Manchester Royal Eye Hospital. Dr. Rihana? Is here. So let's go to next award. Next award goes to Dr. Farid Khan. Dr. Khan holds a PhD in protein engineering, an MSc in parasitology, and a BSc in chemistry. He is a senior research associate in biotech and enterprise at Peterhouse, the University of Cambridge. Dr. Khan is a co-founder of PharmaCure Limited and founder of a CRO in biotech services, which specializes in recombinant DNA technology, a drug repurposing company. So please give a big round of applause to Dr. Farid Khan. Thank you, Dr. Farid. Would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, assalamu alaikum, everyone. I'm talking as a second generation Pakistani. and we want to reconnect with our roots, do big projects, healthcare projects, hospital projects, and indeed the future is biotechnology, to produce food for our people, to have healthcare systems for our people, and indeed lift up Pakistan as a nation with great potential. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Farid. Congratulations. Next award goes to Dr. Binesh Siddique. Dr. Binesh Siddique obtained a degree in chemistry from Aston University and thereafter gained valuable experience focusing on designing innovative materials such as adhesive hydrogels for medical applications, including wound dressing, biomedical electrodes, burn treatment, and pressure-sensitive adhesives, some of which are now commercially available. So is Dr. Binesh Siddique है यहाँ पे? चलें उनके behalf पे. Okay, well, she was ill, so she couldn't come, and Dr. Farid will receive her award. So next award goes to Dr. Amir Bernie. I'm sure I've seen him. So Dr. Saab, please come on the stage. और आप लोगों की तालियां बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. वैसे मुझे आज बहुत हैरानगी हो रही है कि normally ऐसा नहीं होता कि you are our guests invited by us, so we can entertain you, but there is no response from any of you. So please can I have a big round of applause from all of us ताकि पता चले कि लोग बैठे इस हॉल में. Dr. Bernie is a Director of Studies in the field of Clinical Medicine at the School of Medicine and Population Health, University of Sheffield. He is the founding president of APNE, the Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe. और Dr. Amir Bernie ने recently election भी contest किया है और बड़ा ज़बरदस्त तरीके से उन्होंने लड़ा है. So thank you and congratulations, Dr. Sir, if you want to say a few words.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. First, I would like to thank Dr. Liaqat Malik and his team for organizing such a beautiful event, which you do every year. And the idea is to bring the communities together. So really, applause should go to you for this. I would also like to thank our esteemed Consul General, Mr. Tariq Wazir, who is such a fantastic Consul General for us, doing wonderful work ever since he's been here. And Samina Khan, thank you again for inviting me here and mentioning my introduction. All I will say that we are British Pakistanis. I'm second generation as well. However, our roots are connected to Pakistan and to England. So really, we should be making all the best efforts to bring communities together here and abroad and do what we can within our own specialties and professions. So thank you once again, Dr. Saab, for inviting me. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. Next award goes to Adil Aslam. Can we have Adil Aslam on the stage? Adil Aslam, Mr. Aslam holds an M. English Honours from the University of Salford in Aeronautical Engineering. He is a technical director and also helps consulting, different consulting companies, estimating and bid and planning department. He also spearheads business development strategy. He's a member of the executive committee, ExCom and leadership team. So big round of applause for Mr. Adil Aslam.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Good evening. Firstly, I'd like to thank the organizers for this accomplishment tonight, and it's a privilege to be here amongst such distinguished people within our community. Again, I'd say, like Dr. Farid and others, I'm a second generation British Pakistani, and it's important that within our society we celebrate the success that we have across businesses and also in the corporate sectors. And it's important that we give back to Pakistan as well. And it's important that we share the success as well. We've seen a lot through the last few months that there's been a lot of anti-immigration, a lot of agenda against people. And as a second generation British Pakistani, we're here celebrating a lot of success today. And it's important that we raise the profile for such things. Thank you very much.
Next award goes to Dr. Muhammad Ijaz, Associate Professor. So if Dr. Ijaz is here, can you come to the stage, please? Dr. Ijaz holds an MSc in Optoelectronic and Communication Engineering and a PhD from Northumbria University. His research work concerns free space optical communications. Dr. Ijaz had published 90 articles to date in prestigious journals, one book chapter and high-quality IEEE conference papers, and is invited to give talks on his area of expertise. So Dr. Muhammad Ijaz, congratulations. And if you would like to say a few words.
Oh, hello. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. And first of all, I congratulate Malik Saab for organizing such a successful event, and also the Consulate Journal Pakistan, Manchester. My message as a young scientist is that we have many challenges. Our defense is very strong, and we appreciate the sacrifices of our shuhadas. But we need to work as a united with the businesses, with the scientists to tackle many other challenges within the Pakistan and within our communities. And we will work together to tackle these challenges. Thank you very much, Malik Saab, once again.
Next award goes to Muhammad Shehzad, LLM Barrister at Law. Mr. Shehzad is a highly sought-after barrister and principal at Juris Legal and Consultants, Pakistan. He specializes in litigation. He is an advocate of the High Court both in the UK and Pakistan. He also teaches trainee barristers on the BBC and has encouraged numerous internationals as well as local students to achieve a high pass rate at the bar. And he was also tutor for Dolly, Alisha Malik.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Dr. Saab, I feel privileged to be the recipient of this award, and I would like to thank you for organizing such a wonderful evening, and I wish you good health and prosperity. Thank you.
Thank you. Next award goes to Dr. Amjad Parvez. वो तशरीफ नहीं लाए, लेकिन उनके behalf पे जो अवार्ड है बताया गया, वो उन्होंने कहा जी कि तारिक वजीर साहब को मेरी तरफ से अवार्ड जो है वो तारिक वजीर साहब को दीजिए. Yes, if you can make a speech. तालियां. So congratulations to all of you. आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. जितने मुश्किल सब्जेक्ट्स मैंने आज प्रोनाउंस किए हैं, ये आपने पढ़े कैसे हैं? So honestly, hats off to you guys, and we are really, really proud of you, all of you. Dr. Malik, yeah.
It's such a privilege to have you guys all together here. Honestly, I mean it. Well done. And Samina's right, and your research is really mind-blowing. And I'm so grateful to you for your contribution to the community here and back home as well. Thank you, everyone, all the professors and all that.
Thank you. और आप सबका बहुत शुक्रिया. आप लोग अपनी सीट्स पे तशरीफ रखें. और अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट है अवार्ड्स का. और and yes, so His Excellency Consul General of Kazakhstan would like to say a few words. Romania, sorry. From Romania. Is it Romania? Kazakhstan. I did say Kazakhstan. Sorry. No, I did say it.
No. Okay. Good evening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, okay. It's my great pleasure to attend today's event. Thank you very much, Dr. Malik, for inviting me. Yeah. So my first diplomatic service was in Pakistan. That's why I love Pakistan. I respect people living there, and of course, I respect people living abroad who achieved such a great results, especially in UK. So I wish Pakistan prosperity and peace. Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Kazakhstan, Paindabad. Thank you very much.